Hey everybody, this is Matt. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me for our last episode of wood burning a picture frame. And of course this is my wife as she finishes up her present for her sister for Christmas. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Be sure to look at our other videos and thanks for joining us. As Jessica wraps up our picture frame wood burning, I wanted to just kind of keep you guys abreast of some projects that we got coming up. Of course, right now I'm working on the wood spirit, but also I've got in the works a idea to try and make a chess set. So I'll be walking you guys through it with me. Trying to come up with my plan right now. In the meantime, while I'm working on our wood spirit, but looking forward to that, and hope you guys will join me for that one as well. Might have an elf house in the mix sometime in there as well, just to kind of break it up because the chess set is definitely going to take a while. Jessica's got another wood burning project that she's going to be working on for her grandmother. Similar to this one, it's going to be a picture frame, but she's got a sort of a design that she's wanting to do for her grandmother, so we'll probably fill you guys in on that one as well. But hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and be sure to like and subscribe. And now a word from my wife.
Hey y'all, this is Jessica. If y'all like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment down below if y'all would like to see something in wood burning. I would be happy to try to do it, my best. Just leave a comment down below. And I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. Thank you.